Hi, I'm Elder from AIM Security, and today we're partnering with Inaxsys to install an outdoor motion camera. So we're going to show you how to do it properly and how it works. We'll explain you how it works. So basically, this motion camera, once the alarm is set up and it's armed, as soon as it detects any motion, it will take 3 to 5 pictures and it will send it to your phone. So you can have an alert that motion was detected and the pictures of what was captured at the motion timing. So it's easy to identify and see, not having false alarms. Ajax has their specs to install this motion outdoor camera at 4 feet, and that's where we're going to be installing it. So we're going to measure it first and mark it at 4 feet. After that, we need to add this device to the system. So to add the device to the system, it comes like that. You have to take the back out of it. Here you have your QR code where you have to scan to add to the system. Okay, so to add a new device to the Ajax system, we go to the system itself, click on add device, we put a name for it, so we're just going to put as exterior 4, and then hit scan code. We just scan it with our phone, select the room that we want to add it to, in this case exterior 4, add device. Now it asks to turn it on. We just press the button to power it up, and we see here it's enrolled. So we already have our exterior device 4 already in place. Now it's just a matter of assembling it to the location. So we had our mark here. So basically we're just going to be drilling and putting the screw in place. Now we just put it here and drop it down. After that, there's a screw that goes in the bottom to secure it. So nobody can take it out. After installing our outdoor camera motion, it's time to test it. So we're going to arm it. So we have an audio confirmation that the system is armed by the siren, right? And if we go to notifications, we can see that it was armed by us. So bypassing in front of the camera, we had the LED going on, the siren goes off, and we get a notification on our phone as our customer gets it the same way, and the picture will start dropping off pretty soon. Here we go. We have our first one, and just from here we can confirm if it's a real situation that needs to be dispatched or it's just a random situation. So we concluded all installation for the outdoor motion camera. It's really easy to install. We've been installing this commercial-wise in houses, and it's a really trusted product. We really trust our partner Inaxsys and their support in this product, and we look forward for bringing this to all our customers.